Suppose you are given a question. Question is, yeah, the question you will see the board here. Question is, find find B field, find B field strength at the center of the system shown. At the center of uh, at the center of the system shown. Okay, the system shown is like this. Say this is a system. Here you see this is a system. So the system is, so you can find it out. The current is flowing in this way. The current is flowing in this way again. The current is flowing in this way, and the current is flowing. Means you have to find the field at here. यहाँ आपको फील्ड निकालना है सेंटर। इधर आपको क्या निकालना है? इसमें बी का वैल्यू अपने को निकालना है। तो कैसे आप निकालोगे बी का वैल्यू? हाउ विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ बी एट दिस सेंटर? नाउ बेसिकली इसको अप्लाई करने के लिए आप देख रहे हो कि दिस इज अ सर्कुलर कॉइल, मीन्स सर्कुलर कॉइल टाइप का है। हाफ सर्कुलर कॉइल इट इज, हाफ सर्कुलर कॉइल, एंड द रेडियस, से फॉर एग्जांपल this the radius is, say it is r is the radius. So the contribution of the B at this point O, the contribution of B at this point O is due to three elements. So this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element. ठीक है? The contribution at point O is due to the three elements. So we have to find individually every contribution at this point due to all the three elements in the individual way. For example, I want to find what is magnetic field at point O due to the magnetic field at point O due to this element 1. Now you find that if you want to apply Biot-Savart's law, we have to take a small differential element, that is your IDL vector, and from the differential element vector we have to take the distance also. ये देखो, ये distance जो कि यहाँ पर हमारा यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, ये यूनिट वेक्टर r कैप से हम डिनोट करेंगे। तो अगर ऐसा है तो इस कंपोनेंट मतलब 1 के कारण यहाँ पर फील्ड कितना होना चाहिए मेरा, B1 विल बी नथिंग बट इट इज म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई। ठीक है, क्या करेंगे इसको आइडियल करेंगे, क्रॉस क्या करेंगे दिस यूनिट वेक्टर अपॉन क्या हो जाएगा, मान लो डिस्टेंस इसका मान लो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो है मान लो x है, तो अपन क्या हो जाएगा ये x। बट यू वेरी वेल नो दैट आइडियल एंड आर कैप के बीच का जो एंगल है, दोनों के बीच का एंगल, व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन दिस वन, ये जो एंगल है आपको दिख रहा है, ये आइडियल ये वाला और ये वेक्टर और ये वेक्टर, कौन सा वेक्टर, आर कैप वेक्टर, ये दोनों के बीच का एंगल कितना है 0 डिग्री। तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में क्या आ जाएगा, साइन आ जाएगा, साइन 0 आ जाएगा। तो इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा कि हम जानते हैं कि साइन 0 का वैल्यू कितना होता है, 0 होता है। तो पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना हो जाएगा, dB1 इज इक्वल टू 0। गॉट इट? So due to this particular straight line, straight conductor carrying current, the magnetic field at point O is equal to 0. Now in the similar way, consider this segment. Now if you consider segment 3. If you consider segment 3, then you find that again here you have to take what happens, the differential current element, say it is IDL, and again your this unit vector from differential current element to this one, and this is also your r cap, okay, and say this distance is also say x. So here what we are having that the differential element, that is IDL, and this one that is your r cap vector, दोनों का बीच का एंगल कितना हो रहा, 180 डिग्री हो रहा, and sin of your 180 is how much, is equal to, again it is 0. So since it is 0, if we apply the Biot-Savart's law, then we will be getting this dB2 will be again 0. Followed this one? So this thing was left there, okay? The left part is this part now. The left part is equal to this part only, okay? So this part is there. So this part is left means, say this segment is left. This segment, only this segment is left. Okay, now if you take the full segment, if you take the full segment here, if you take the full segment here of this radius, say it is r, then we know that b is equal to b at the center, you know, we find it out, b naught and m naught I upon क्या होता है ये 2r होता है. लेकिन since the half segment is been done, since we have taken the half segment here, okay, since we have taken the half segment here, so this part is 1, this part is 2, and this part is 3. So this part there is no magnetic field. Now due to this part, we can say that the magnetic field at point O will be, this is rather you can say like this, you can say B2 will be how much it is equal to mu naught I upon 2r. पूरे के कारण कितना होता है 2r, हाफ के कारण क्या हो जाएगा, आधा हो जाएगा. It will be your how much it is coming to be mu naught I upon 4r. So thus you can say that the resultant B at O is B is equal to mu naught I upon 4r is the answer. Got it? So this is how we find the field due to a system.